Justice Ariwoola assumed office in 2022 at a time when public trust in the Nigerian judiciary was at an all-time low and on the eve of major elections. Justice Ariwoola became CJN after Justice Tanko Mohammed, his predecessor, stepped down under controversial circumstances. He was accused of running the judiciary as a family affair. Things reached boiling point when the Supreme Court justices called him out for ignoring their well-being. CJN Ariwoola took over amidst rising hope that things could be different. But alas, many became disappointed. No sooner had he settled in office than damning reports began to emerge of his activities that weren't any different from those of his predecessor. In 2 years in the position, he made his son a judge of the Federal High Court, his daughter-in-law a judge of the High Court of the Federal Capital Territory, his brother auditor of the National Judicial Council (NJC), chaired by himself as the Chief Justice, and another reported member of his family a Justice of the Court of Appeal. His supporters say they may be his relatives, but they were qualified for the appointment. The question is, should they have been denied the appointment simply because they are his family? Looking at things from an observer's standpoint, history seems pretty unfair to the former Chief Justice of Nigeria. Under his watch, there were notable decisions taken by the Apex Court. It was under his watch that the Supreme Court addressed the issue of the Naira scarcity occasioned by the Naira redesign policy of the then Buhari-led administration. It was also in his time that the Supreme Court made a decision favoring local government autonomy. Under his leadership, judicial officers got 300% raise in their remuneration. Justice Ariwoola has bowed out of the Supreme Court, but did he do so when the ovation was loudest? The answer depends on who you ask. Godfrey Eshemoge, Arise News.